On December 13, 2024, Trooper Dobbins assisted Van Buren police after a gold Chevrolet Malibu, driven by Shumei Zhang, refused to stop on eastbound Interstate 40. Zhang sped at 60 to 70 miles per hour, continuing past the 8-mile marker despite efforts to stop her.
Trying to come behind you. There one stranger again between us. Stranger got traffic. Alright, TBI, before the scale.
TBI, before the scale.
10-1, TBI, before the scale.
Oh, get out of the car! Go to the freaking car! All right, got this side.
Copy 1015. Can I release the net?
Oh, I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
Okay. We'll get it figured out.
Oh,
Here, the problem is you're not stopping.
I'm sorry, sir.
Do you not see blue lights behind you?
I'm sorry, sir. I don't know.
Break it down. Okay, all right.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Okay, we'll get it figured out, okay?
Oh, I'm sorry, sir.
Okay, hold on a second. Where are you coming from?
I'm sorry, sir.
No, get up. No, get up.
I'm sorry, sir.
Okay.
I'm sorry, sir.
Anything on you? Any weapons, nothing like that?
Oh, yes.
Weapons? No weapons?
Oh,
Is there a reason why you didn't stop?
I'm sorry, sir. Yeah.
Where are you coming?
On February 2nd, 2025, I activated my emergency equipment to pull over a blue Honda sedan, Florida plate RWFS08, for traffic violations. Initially, the driver, later identified by her FLDL, signaled to pull over, but suddenly accelerated from 45 to 75 miles per hour. Making several lane changes, she reached 90 miles per hour in a 55 miles per hour zone, prompting me to initiate a pursuit.
1530. I'm behind a black, possibly blue sedan. Touched the shoulder. This may be the one that they were talking. We're getting back on the main line I-4 past the hard block. BJ 28.
I did disconnect from her because she continued on I-4 after it took the exit.
That's 10-4. Since we just got back on, she's actually behind us still. That's fine. We don't need that anymore. Big danger. You getting back on westbound or eastbound? We're still westbound approaching MLK. I just touched the shoulder there again.
Here's overhead. Watch him just in case.
10-4. 6528. Florida. Romeo Whiskey Foxtrot. Sierra 08. Looks like a Honda sedan. Blue.
Number 6429. Blue Honda 4-door. 816 of 25.
Romeo drive time.
How far are you westbound? Next call. 3-1.
Come out to 50th Street.
That's all the way behind you, about 30 seconds.
I actually have a tinted tag cover on that thing. Right over top of 50th Street. Hoping they would stop back here, but I guess not. We're gonna make the stop for the traffic violation, put the tin tag cover. We'll go from there. C30, they went back to the right, now they're going back to the left lane, they're still not stopping. They're making a lane change. Let's go ahead and call this the 1031.
Over 1031.
That's it.
Barry, I'll call it.
Ten 46, 23, 48.
Pit.
Hit.
Unit, did you advise you pitted the vehicle?
That's 10-4. Get your gun out. Sorry. Get your hands! Hands up!
Unit, did you advise you pitted the vehicle?
That's 10-4.